Hello guys, I'm back with another awesome tutorial. Did you know your iPhone has hidden features Apple never told you about? Number 3 in this video is my favorite. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 hidden iPhone tricks that will make using your iPhone faster, easier, and smarter. Some of these tricks are secret settings Apple never told you about, and the last one might surprise you so much. Make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any of them. Let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the back tapping screen button. What do I mean by back tap screen button? What I simply mean is that you can set the back tap on your iPhone to do many things that you want it to do by just double tapping the back of the screen, the back of your iPhone, sorry. So how do we go about back tap screen button? First, as a beginner, if you want to access this, what you have to do, you have to so let's jump into my phone screen whilst I demonstrate this to you. You click on the settings button. After the settings have opened, we then look for general, which is right here. So let's click there real quick. After clicking the general, what we have to do next, we have to click or tap on the accessibility button right there. So after clicking on the accessibility button, we look for touch. We scroll all the way down and we look for rosette. We look for what? Let's scroll the way down. Let's look for assistive touch. So let's click over there real quick. From my screen, you guys can see that the assistive touch is on. So let's turn it off. But because we are going to be making use of it, we have to turn it on real quick. So let's turn it on real quick. Okay, so now after looking for the assistive touch and turning it on, what we have to do is we focus on the custom action right there, which is we have the single tap, double tap, and the long press. But over here, what we are going to select is the double tap. Let me reduce my phone light so that it can show very properly. Okay, so from the look on things on my screen, what we can do now is to click on the double tap. When you open the double tap, we have so many options right there that you can choose from. We have the open menu, home notification, Siri, control center, and many more. But let's look for screenshots real quick. Here is the screenshot. So after that, we have to go back and let's demonstrate what we just did. So the assistive touch, which we activated to help us take a screenshot of whatever we want to do. This is because the iPhone 6 and lower we cannot control by tapping the back of the iPhone, but rather we can do that by the help of the assistive touch, which is the little button on the screen. So right now, let's try and see whether what we have set is going to work. So let's double tap it twice. Okay, so that is what we just set on our iPhone with the help of assistive touch. So what we have on our list now next is what we call the hidden trackpad. Hidden trackpad for selecting text. You can select text faster. So when you want to select text, example, when you are typing and then you want to select or you want to highlight some phrases, you want to do that with immediate effect. Here's how you are going to go about it. First, let's open our notepad right here. Let's click on the new note. It's for the pencil icon right here. So, let me raise it up a little bit. It's not pushing up. Let's go back one more time and come back again. Let's click it one more time. Okay. So right now let me drop the phone down. Demonstrate it very well. So assuming you were typing like this and you want to copy the text, we have two ways. We have the shortcut, which is by long pressing the text, and then from there you can click on select all whilst copy. You click on the copy right there, and then it's going to copy for you successfully. But with the second trick I'm going to show you, what we are going to do is we hold the space bar, which is right here, and we tap the keyboard with another finger. So let's click on the space and let's tap on the keyboard with another finger. So let's try moving it to the right hand side. So you guys can see when I move it this way, it's already highlighted. So we just have to bring our finger across it, and then also we can also copy it right there, and also copy it and then paste it wherever you want it to be. After doing that, that's it for step 2. If you are enjoying these tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe for more iPhone tips. Let's move to the third one on my list, which is the one I made mention earlier on. That is my favorite on my list. So number 3 is scan documents with Note app. What do I mean by scanning a document with your Note app? There are so many people who use iPhone and they are not aware of this trick. This trick is very simple. You can use this. You don't need a scanner or a fancy printer, but that is how you are going to go about it. Let's open our notes one more time. Let's go back real quick. Let's open up the new note one more time again. Then what we have to do next, we click on the plus button right here. When you click on the plus button, you are gonna see scan documents, take photo or video, photo library, add sketch. What we wanna do is to scan the document. So therefore, let's click on the scan document. And now I'm gonna be using my airport to demonstrate this for you guys to see. So let's raise it a little bit. Let's wait for it to capture it. Let me place it properly. Let's see. Automatically, when you do it this way, it has to capture it once and for all. Okay, so that's it. It have captured it. When you don't try placing the object straight under the camera, it's not gonna take the screenshot. But when it does not, over here you guys can see there was a button over there. You can press on there and then it will capture it manually. So that's it. And then from here we're gonna keep the scan because we like it, and then we can save it to our phone right here. So after this, when you save it, you can just send it to anybody at all. You can send it through mail, Facebook, Telegram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Zenda, and also you can copy or you can save to files or you can print it out, a whole lot. Step number 4 on my list is measuring anything with your iPhone. Many people are not aware of this trick, measuring anything with your iPhone. Yes, it's possible. You can do that with just your iPhone, but not with any tape measure or ruler. Ask me how. So this is how you are going to go about it. Your iPhone has a hidden measuring tape. How to use it? Open up a measuring app on your iPhone. So let's look for measuring app on our iPhone. I don't think the iPhone 6 is having the measuring app. So let's jump to the 5th one on my list. But before I show you the last tricks, here's a pro tip. If you shake your phone while typing, you can instantly undo what you wrote. Number 5 on my list, shake to undo typing. What do I mean by that? Shake to undo typing. Example, when you are typing and you make a mistake and you want to undo it, you just have to shake your phone. So let's try it and see. Let's open our notes app one more time. Let's go back. We'll pick, let's choose one of this. So we have some writings on it over here, so let's try and shake it and see. Minutes. Let me check something. Let's try. Let's put some time. Okay, you get it right. This time around. So when you are typing and then you made a mistake, what you just have to do, you just shake your iPhone, shake the screen like I did right now, and then you are going to see undo typing. So when it pops up this way, you will click on undo. Okay. So when you do that, it's gonna clean the wrong part from the text. That is when you saw that what I is typing in addition to the old one has been deleted successfully. This will not delete because it has been saved for a very long time now. So number 5 is something most iPhone users don't know. Try shaking your phone right now. Thank you. If you love my tutorial, make sure you don't forget to subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave a comment. Let me know the tricks that works for you, your iPhone, perfectly. I'm going to be dropping another video using my iPhone X to demonstrate. This is for iPhone 6. Thank you.